Baba, it's funny, because photographers really don't know how to respect their fellow photographers. Most especially when you give them small chance to come in, like talk to you, they don't respect you. But see, there is one man I keep imagining how he does his work. I know a lot of photographers, a lot of creative, good photographers. But this man, I keep wondering how he comes out with whatever he's creating. All of you know Big H. Who is this guy? How did this guy come about his pattern of photography? See, Big H is like a god in this photography business, a god that everybody that is doing this business should go and worship. Have you gone to his page and see what he creates? Big H is another person that whenever he wants to do a shoot, he has to script the shoot, he has to create a set for the shoot, and all his shoots are unique. Have you not seen it? I'm waiting for the day I will sit down with Big H and I will ask him, how do you think? Because with the whole creative ideas in my head of what I want to create and what I have created, I still feel like I have not gone half what that guy can create. Big H, who are you? I know the fact that this guy is a strong Christian. Yes, he's a strong believer. He worships all the time. But who is this guy? Big H, maybe you should come out and tell me how you get your ideas to create what you create. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Geetee. If you have anything to say or you know anything about Big H, maybe drop it in the comment box so that we'll talk about it in our next video. Peace.